Come test drive the 2022 Buick Encore GX. The Buick Encore GX provides plenty of space and functionality with its compact SUV body. The Encore GX also provides plenty of safety features and a wide variety of options that you can upgrade to. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated side mirrors, remote keyless entry, fog lights, auto-off headlights, power door locks, rear defrost, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tilt steering wheel, AM/FM stereo radio. Come take a test drive today.